Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 midday. Here is the series of atmospheric rivers that's just off the coast right now in the Pacific. It's going to take a while for this to get here, but when it does, it's going to provide some high impacts, especially as we head into Thursday. Right now, we're just seeing a few light showers along the coast, up in the Cascades, nothing really too substantial. We put the rest of today in motion with Stormcast, and we stopped this right around 5 p.m. Could have a few more showers again along the coast, up in the Cascades. Could be the same for overnight, but as we head into Tuesday, we're looking dry for most of the day. Now, there are some discrepancies within the models. You can see we'll stop this right around 5 p.m. This iteration of Stormcast has the atmospheric river just off the coast at this point, arriving along the coastline, making landfall, if you will, around midnight. But other models are suggesting that the atmospheric river could move in a little bit earlier. So just kind of a little discrepancy within the models. And if that sorts itself out, of course, we'll let you know. Here's some of the water projections we're expecting through Tuesday night. It's obviously going to be the coast where we'll receive the most beneficial rainfall from this, 2 to 2.5 inches. But sometimes too much of a good thing can actually be a bad thing, which is why we have that flood watch in place for Curry County and Josephine County. That runs until 4 p.m. on Wednesday. So for today, we're expecting rain mainly along the coast up in the Cascades. It's just going to be a gray day. Temperatures in the 40s and 50s. Winds gusting out of the south and west between 20 to 25 miles per hour, mainly along the coast and up in the mountains. And then for tonight, could have a few showers along and to the west of the Cascades. But other than that, it's looking like a pretty dry night. Pretty mild temperatures for this time of the year. I mean, we could flirt with freezing to the east of the Cascades. So out in Klamath and Lake counties, you would have to protect the outdoor pets, plants, and plumbing. But elsewhere, it's just going to be a little bit too warm for that. Also, the winds, once again, gusting out of the south and west between 20 to 25 miles per hour along the coast and up in the mountains. And then, like you saw in Stormcast, we'll have that atmospheric river coming in late Tuesday and early on Wednesday. That's going to bring us some high impacts, mainly for Thursday, as snow levels will drift down into Wednesday and Thursday. So at that point, we're expecting some pretty tough pass travel, but not just because of the lower snow levels, also because of some of the winds picking up for some of our higher elevations. Right now, the models are suggesting winds gusting between 40 to 50 miles per hour. Stay tuned for that. Also, here's what the models are thinking about some of the snow output we could have for Thursday. Of course, subject to change, but we're thinking maybe a foot or two or more up towards Crater Lake. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. Rain likely over the next couple of days, and then we'll add some thunder into the mix for Wednesday and Thursday. For Siskiyou County, we'll stay pretty dry over the next 48 hours, and then rain looking pretty likely for both Wednesday and Thursday. Same thing for the Basin, pretty dry over the next couple of days, rain likely for Wednesday, and then snow levels drift down to around 3,500 feet by Thursday afternoon, which means that it's likely just going to be snow for the Basin. And then for the Cascades, mainly just rain over the next couple of days, and then with the lowering snow levels, we'll expect snow chances to go up. Also, pass travel will likely not look too friendly between Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then for the Rogue Valley, showers likely for today. We'll start to trend a little bit drier for Tuesday, but the rain ramps back up for Wednesday and Thursday.
Okay, no snow in the Rogue Valley quite yet, right?
No, not over this 7-day forecast. No.
Okay, I kind of want a little bit of snow. I like a little dusting, not enough to ruin the roads.
See, the first year I was here, it snowed on Christmas Eve. I'm not sure if it's ever going to get that magical
Love
again.
that. Oh, yeah, probably not. Well, fingers crossed, though.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Josh.
Of course.
We're going to turn